How to fix Instagram note features not showing. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix the Instagram note features not showing. Start by opening the Instagram and see if it is showing or not. So it is not showing in my option. The reason why it is not showing is because mine is a professional account, and if you have a business account, then your Instagram will not show a note option on your profile. So make sure that you have changed your Instagram account to private account by going on the top three vertical lines right there. Scroll down, and then you will see the option of account privacy. You need to turn this account to private and turn off the business account for that. But some days your account might be private and the option is not showing. Then what you can do is uninstall your Instagram application and reinstall it, because it might be the problem of updation. Make sure that you have installed the latest version of Instagram, because keeping a note is a new feature. So some features might not show if you don't update it. So if you have update and still the problem is showing, then you can simply report the problem from Instagram. Just tap on Instagram, scroll down, and just go down until you see the very option of help. Just tap on help option and now tap on a report the problem option, and then you should tap on report problem without shaking. Just tap on report problem without shaking and tap on include and continue and type your problem and send it to Instagram, and Instagram will send you feedback after a few days and your problem might be solved. So this is how you can do this. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment on the comment section below.